Ho 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 everyone! My name is Rufus and welcome back to Rufus's Homestyle Cooking. And as you can probably already tell, this is the Christmas episode. And yeah, today we're going to be making a gingerbread house and some hot chocolate. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to start with the hot chocolate.
Are you gonna give me some?
No, no, you're not going to get any.
Well, it's Christmas. I want some.
You know what? You're right. You're right. It is Christmas, and I know I've been mean to you the past couple times, so yeah, why not? Oh yeah, and cameraman, what happened on Thanksgiving? I sincerely apologize. I shouldn't have smacked you.
And I apologize for throwing things at you and calling you mean things.
Well, I'm glad we could we could meet in the middle on this. Can you come over here? I'm sorry about earlier.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
So since the two of us have finally made up, let's start with the hot chocolate. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is open this up, grab ourselves a packet. All right. So we're gonna take our cup.
Are we sure those are microwave safe?
I mean, it doesn't say on here, but I assume they would be. All right. All right. So we're gonna what?
My brother died when he used a plastic cup.
And you're telling me this why?
I don't want you dead.
You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. Okay, I'll be fine. All right. So let's dump the cocoa mix in here. Doesn't seem like a lot, but all right. So all right. So we got our cocoa mix. So
What was that?
I just wanted to smell I wanted to smell it.
Okay. You keep on going.
Oh, all right. So we're gonna dump some water in here. Okay, so we're gonna dump a little bit of water here. Oh yeah, now. Okay, so we'll just put a little bit more. Okay, and now we're gonna stir it. Well, I don't exactly have anything to stir with, so. Oh wait, never mind. I actually do have something to stir with this whisk.
You sure you're gonna be using that a little later?
It'll be fine. Okay, and alright, that should be good. That does definitely taste like chocolate. I mean,
You don't have any experience.
what are you trying to say?
I'm better than you.
Well, I mean, so you're better at this than me? Is that what you're trying to say?
Cooking probably no, but whatever you did, yeah.
Okay, well, here's this. You shall be cursed. So now that we have the hot chocolate, we're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes. Now I gotta put this in carefully so we don't mess it up. I thought you said you weren't gonna throw stuff at me.
It's more popcorn.
Where does this even come from?
I have endless pockets.
You're just a man of many answers, aren't you?
Why'd you eat it?
It's not good.
Why'd you eat it?
Okay, well, my cameraman's being very rude. I'm sorry, guys. Like I was saying, 2 minutes.
We have a pretty good upgrade on decorations this month.
Yeah, the videos are doing pretty well.
Well, why am I not getting a bigger pay then?
Well, it will come within it will come with time.
Okay. I'll be waiting. So is that one gonna be mine?
Wait, what?
The hot chocolate, is that gonna be mine? You said I can have some.
I I don't remember you saying that. I don't remember myself saying that.
Well, you said you were...
I listen. Listen. I don't know what you heard, but I never said that this was gonna be yours. This one's mine.
The Christmas spirit.
Yeah, but I mean, this one's clearly mine. You're just gonna have to wait.
But the Christmas spirit.
But patience.
It looks good.
Yeah, but this one's mine. Hey, you better let go. This one's clearly mine, okay?
But it looks so good.
I understand that, but this is mine. You can wait. We have a lot of hot chocolate.
I need sustenance.
You can wait a little bit longer. It didn't take too long.
Your grip strength is so tight. How?
I practice. Like, ugh, fuck. What did you do?
I'm so sorry.
No, that's it. That's it. I had enough. Screw the Christmas spirit. Screw everything. You're fired.
I
Go.
oh, okay.
Go. You're fired. Get out of here.
Okay. Well, do I still get a check?
No. Go. Sorry you guys had to see that. That was just, I don't know what that was. I clearly did not I clearly didn't tell him that I was gonna give him a hot chocolate, but he just went ahead and did that. Okay, so I made the this is a second batch of this stuff because as you can see, the first one kind of got all over me, but the whole issue has been solved. I'm never hiring anyone like that ever again. Alright, so we got the hot chocolate ready. Now we just need to make our gingerbread house. Alright, so now that we made our hot chocolate, we don't really need this anymore. Now let's make our gingerbread house, starting with some dough. So first thing we're gonna do is dump the flour. That should be a-okay. Now we're gonna need some water. Alright, so now we just need to mix it. Alright, it looks like I'm gonna need some more water. Alright, should be good. Good. Now, it would be easier if I had someone with me, but... Alright, so we're just going to keep on mixing it up, just so it resembles dough. Alright then. And now we just got to dump this out and roll it up. Before I forget, let me put you down since I don't need you anymore. Alright, so we're gonna put this onto the plate. That should be good. And now we're gonna take our rolling pin. Alright, so now we're gonna transfer this over to the plate. Well, okay, now that we have the dough onto the plate now. Oh, and before I forget, before we actually get to rolling, I actually have something very special for you guys to watch. So, yeah, enjoy. Oh, Shimgerbread house, oh, Shimgerbread house, you're gonna taste so tasty. First we roll it smooth, then we bust a move. Don't let the heat go to wasty. Make the walls of dough with a guy named Joe. The smell of burning magic sets a heart aglow. We got the icing on, and I forgot this song. Na 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 na. At last the roof goes on, and nothing can go wrong. Oh no, it all went wrong. Now I'm really sad. But Mom said it ain't that bad. Oh, Shimgerbread house, oh, Shimgerbread house, you're gonna taste so tasty. Well, sorry for that. I got a little carried away, and I mean, it's a shame, you know. I mean, I wanted to do all this and all ruined, and now British Kringle's not gonna get me anything. We'll see. I'll check upstairs to see if he does get me anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's not British Kringle. What the hell is this guy? Just had a brilliant idea.